Okay, so now for the next step of our problem, we're going to go in and solve this linear equation by first getting an integrating factor. So our mu of t is e to the integral of 1 over 2t plus 10 with respect to t. If we do a u substitution with the 2t plus 10, then we have our du is equal to 2 dt. So we're going to get a factor of 1/2 upon integrating this. So this is going to be equal to our e to integral of 1 over u times 1/2 du, which is e to the 1/2 natural log absolute value u. And then to take the inverse of this, we have to first move that half up as an exponent. So in doing so, we're going to have e to the natural log of u to the 1/2. And then simplifying down, we're going to get u to the 1/2, which is going to be equal to a 2t plus 10 raised to the 1/2 power. And there's no need for absolute values here because the t is positive, and therefore 2t plus 10 is positive. So now we're going to take this integrating factor, which is again 2t plus 10 to the half, and multiply it to our differential equation. So that's times the x prime plus our same 2t plus 10 to the half times the middle, which was 1 over 2t plus 10 times x. And that's equal to our 3 times that same 2t plus 10 to the half power. If we now simplify this down, we've got a 2t plus 10 to the half times x. And then we're going to have a 2t plus 10, if we subtract exponents, to the negative 1/2. I don't know why this keeps moving down, but it is, equal to 3 times 2t plus 10 to the half. And let's put a little divider wall in here to separate our calculations. All right, so now it may not look like it at first, but that left-hand side is a product rule, because when you take the derivative of the 2t plus 10 to the half, you do get a half that comes down by the chain rule, and then a 2 from the chain rule. So that half and that 2 cancel out. So this really is the derivative of our product. This is really a 2t plus 10 to the half power times an x that has been differentiated to create the 3 times 2t plus 10 to the half power. And we know the next step is to integrate both sides with respect to the independent variable. So that's the integral of this 2t plus 10 to the half power times x prime. And again, we're integrating with respect to t is equal to the integral of the 3 times 2t plus 10 to the half power with respect to t. And then, of course, we're going to have our derivative and integration cancel out, their inverse operations, and we're going to have our 2t plus 10, which I think I'll have to save for the next video. So we'll just kind of pause it there and leave it with the integration to do.